So guys, you see we got the Rick's tank mocked up, installed. New Rick's tank for the new Aeromotive pump for Lofton car. Also bought the Aeromotive brackets. Jokers $150 for the billet brackets that hold the post and pre-filters. So I just want to do a metal tapping screw. You know, I just wanted to, I'm gonna drill it, tap it, and where a bolt can screw in. It'll be a nice finish. We already figured out the location where we wanted it, how we're gonna run it. So go ahead and tap this thing, get it mocked up, let you guys see how that thing look. VTS-V Auto for life, baby. Let's go. Okay guys, so you guys can see now with the bracket installed, all the filters in. You guys can see the bracket. You got adjustability where you can, swing it with, clock it wherever you wanted it, tighten it down. And I really like the fit. Might get these gold plated too. We'll paint them black. Yeah. Fuel line come down, put a little clamp on it here where to hold it out the way, straight to the fuse. VTS-V Auto for life, baby. Let's go.